So I'm going to briefly teach us how to hem a trouser, how to properly hem a trouser. So if you're new to this channel, I want you to make sure you click on the subscribe button. If you are new or whether you are old, make sure you click on the like button to help you see more of our videos, and make sure you watch to the end. So as you guys can see, we have 2 inches for our trouser. We are going to be folding our trouser with 2 inches. So make sure you mark it out. As you can see, yes, depending on what you're using for your hemming, mine is 2 inches. I'm marking it out. Make sure you mark it out with a chalk. Make sure you roll it down. As you can see, this is exactly what I'm doing. Okay, please make sure you follow these steps. It's going to actually help you in order to get a perfect hemming. Yes, I know this is very difficult for most of us. We don't really know how to do it. So now fold it this way. Are you seeing it? So the line is actually going to guide you. Are you seeing it? This is going to guide you. Make sure you fold it according to the lines. Then after you are done folding it, you guys know the next thing to do is to do your ironing. If you're using a steam iron, that is good for you. If you're not using a steam iron, make sure you have your water which you're going to be spraying on your trouser. Do you understand? Okay. Then after, make sure you use your iron and iron it out, guys. Make sure you iron it out very, very well. Yes, apply heat. Please guys, there are a lot of things I would really like to teach us, just that these days I don't really have time to do videos. But I will still make out time to teach us some of these things which are very, very important. You guys know how to do. As you can see, I'm done ironing it. So when you're done ironing it, we're almost there. So I'm going to be turning it. Okay, let's keep ironing so as to make sure you get it very well. So next thing I'm going to be doing, let me turn the trouser because I need to work from the back. Yes, I really need to work from the back. Okay. For those of you that don't know how to make a trouser like this, very neat trouser, I have a course on this trouser. So make sure you just contact me or comment in the comment section. Then we'll see what we can do. So as you can see, this is the back. This is where it's folded. I'm going to be using hemming gum to hold it. Yes. Now, I want to let you know this is not a permanent hemming, this particular one. I'm just preparing it so that I can go to where they will do a proper trouser hemming for me. Do you understand? So what I'm actually teaching you is how to prepare the hemming, how to hem it this way so that you can go and do the official trouser hemming. In a situation whereby you have the trouser, you have the machine, you can as well do it in your own office, but this is really how to prepare it. For those of us that don't know how to do it, I know that this is very difficult for most of us, so this is how to do it. So as you can see, I'm ironing it. Okay, this is really how to iron it. Don't just iron on one side. Make sure you iron 360. Turn all the base. Make sure you iron 360 in order to achieve a perfect hemming. As you can see, the hemming is done. So thank you guys for watching. I want you to make sure you click on the subscribe button. If you've not liked this video, please make sure you like it, because at the end of the day, if you don't like it, you might not be able to see our videos. Thanks, and may God bless you. As you can see, we have a very nice work. Bye for now.